On 1st of November, Dokmuka Forest Range in collaboration with Bokolia Account Beat Office jointly recovered a huge stockpile of timbers from a depository within the jungle situated nearly 7 kilometers away from Langchitung area falling under the Bokolia Account Beat Dokmuka Forest Range. Acting upon the specific intel input from its sources, Dokmuka Forest Range in collaboration with Bokolia Account Beat Office were jointly enforced a team to intensify the search operations, and on 1st of November, the team managed to locate the exact location of the timber depository inside the jungle at Langchitung area under Phuluni and Singhason constituency. When the team reached the spot, they saw huge quantity of timbers falling here and there. It was informed that no person has been arrested so far and approximately 300 pieces of timbers were recovered from the depository. The contraband seized, if brought to an open market, it would be nearly 3,10,000 rupees. The timbers recovered would be seized and kept under custody, and legal action would be taken as per law and acts of the forest.
Sini tum nabang son nang khuruk lo nang ri lo nang tarlib lo tum theng pi bang longpon lo ni tum ladak total 300 baga pisa theng pi ni tum pini ni tum convert office long chepon longpo ni tum non tata mobile home ni pon long elo.
Dear Chuna Rong, please report from Phuluni for KAAC Live.